What's up everybody, thanks for checking out the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to install these little pocket door guides. So as usual, if you like the channel, if you want to save some money around the house and you're into that sort of thing, smash that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. It'd be much appreciated. That being said, let's get into this. All right, so we've got our pocket door here. It's in the pocket, it's put away. You know, there it is. These guides here keep it from doing exactly what it's doing now and to get scratched up over time. So this applies to both new construction and an existing door. So if you're having issues with your pocket door and it's not guided properly or it's not tracking like it should, either the hardware is an issue up that side or the guides are an issue. So all you got to do is slide these little guides on, and they're kind of tapered. So you can slide them up so that they, you know, catch the door where you need it to be. You don't want to pinch it tight. You want to give it a bit of a gap, maybe a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch at most. But the biggest thing is this is just typically it's soft pine. And what you want to do is mark off where you're going to put this thing. You know, I've made a little mark like that. And it comes with these little screws in the kit. So you don't want to just drill that into there because you'll probably split the wood. So you want to get a drill bit, and the right size drill bit is going to be the size of the shaft of the screw. So essentially, if you deleted the threads, that's the size of the drill bit that you want to use. So drill yourself a little pilot hole. Mine veered off a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. And then we'll do the same on the other side. So now that you've got your holes drilled, all you got to do is pop these things on, and don't use a drill, use the screwdriver. You don't want to over torque these things. And there you go. So the door is in the pocket, and this is going to stiffen up a little bit, especially when I get my drywall on and the casing. I don't have drywall or casing on this thing right now, but the door will track nicely, and it'll give a little clearance for the hardware too, because the hardware itself is a little bit wider than the door. So that will solve all your problems. So thanks for checking out the channel. Hopefully this helps you out, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Again, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.